One word, 2 minutes. Can you solve this riddle?
Hello everyone, welcome to Welcome's Learning. My name is Faiz.
And my name is Alkaf.
Hey, I have a riddle for you.
Oh, I love riddles. Let's hear it.
I can fly without wings and cry without eyes. What am I?
That's tricky.
Here's a hint. It's something you can see in the sky.
Fly without wings, cry without eyes.
Sometimes it brings rain.
Oh, is that a cloud?
Exactly!
Wait, where's the double meaning?
The word fly doesn't always mean flying like a bird.
Ah, that's right. It can also mean moving through the air.
And cry doesn't always mean being sad. It can also mean producing drops of water, like clouds or onions.
Wow, English word can be really playful.
That's why riddles are great for learning vocabulary. Next time, I'll bring you a harder riddle.
Okay, I dare you.
One word,
many meanings. Follow for more fun English learning. See you next time.